I want to share with you today how to freeze pomegranate seeds. I have done this for years. Sometimes I'll buy a bunch of pomegranates in season and then I want them for something later. So how you do that is you cut them up as you normally would and seed them as you normally would. The quickest way I found is to do it in cold water. And I have another video about this, but you just get them out of there and then you rinse them and strain them, and then you just pour them into a freezer container. I usually like a little bit smaller than this, but I've got several here I'm doing today. And then you just put the date on them, put them in there, and put them in the freezer. They last for a few months. They taste really good. I usually like to sprinkle them on waffles or crepes, and they give it a little texture. So that's what I would usually use them for, but you can put them in smoothies and or sprinkle them on ice cream or in a yogurt in the morning. I've done that. Kind of make a parfait type of thing. So anyway, that is how you do it. Super easy. And you can do it in smaller baggies, and so snack size baggies, and then you could line the snack baggies in there so you could take one and go if you needed to, or just dump out the entire baggie, and then it's not frozen in clumps and lumps. I mean, this is easy, pretty easy. When it freezes together, you just kind of drop it and it will pull apart. But if you do want it in separate containers, go ahead and use those little snack baggies, and that's great, and you can dump the whole thing in with the shake or whatever you're using it for. Check out my blog, thesecretisgratitude.com, and there's over 2,000 posts on there, or check out my YouTube channel. There's over almost 500 videos on there. Thanks for watching and have a blessed day.